Hello and welcome to our first open lecture. I'm Andrea Ristevska
And I'm Ljubinka Hristovska.
and we are students of English Language and Literature at the Faculty of Education in Bitola. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the confusing types of pronouns and adjectives.
First, let's define what are pronouns and adjectives. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. If we didn't have pronouns, we would have to keep repeating the nouns, and that would make our sentences very repetitive. Pronouns are usually short words. There are several different kinds of pronouns, including personal, demonstrative, interrogative, indefinite, possessive, reciprocal, relative, reflexive, and intensive pronouns.
Adjectives are words that modify nouns and pronouns. They are one of the 8 parts of speech and their function is to give some additional information about nouns. The types of adjectives are descriptive, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, quantitative, and numeral, which are divided into 3 groups: definite, indefinite, and distributive numeral adjectives.
Now let's look into the differences. The demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives modify nouns. The most popular are this, that, these, and those. The difference between demonstrative adjectives and pronouns is in the sentence structure. The demonstrative pronoun takes the place of the noun phrase. For example, here are some demonstrative pronouns that are taking the place of the underlined noun phrase. The food you're cooking smells delicious. That smells delicious. The pretzel-like yoga move we are doing really hurts. This really hurts. These apples smell rotten. These smell rotten.
As mentioned earlier, the 4 demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. That means they come before nouns in a sentence. For example, is this book yours or mine? Did you finally throw away that old shirt? These shoes smell disgusting. Demonstrative adjectives indicate exactly which noun the speaker means and where it is relative to the position of the speaker. If the noun in question is nearby, we use this or these. If the noun is out of the speaker's reach, we use that or those.
If you want to know whether a pronoun is an interrogative pronoun, just ask. No, really. An interrogative pronoun is used when asking questions. The trick is they can actually be only used in a question. We use these pronouns specifically to ask questions. These pronouns are special because they all start with WH, which makes them easy to remember. The interrogative pronouns that most English speakers are aware of are whom, whose, who, what, and which. Here are some examples of interrogative pronouns. Who won the race? Whom shall we ask? Whose did they take?
Interrogative adjectives, like any type of adjective, modify nouns. However, interrogative adjectives are used in interrogative sentences, which are sentences that ask a question. Which feet is the greater? This is not an interrogative pronoun. It's an interrogative adjective because the word which modifies feet. Therefore, it's an adjective.
When a word like all, any, anyone is used as an adjective, it is known as an indefinite adjective. For example, all in the lobby must remain seated. This is an indefinite pronoun.
All personnel in the lobby must remain seated. This is an indefinite adjective. It modifies personnel. When learning about possessives, it can be especially tricky, and it is definitely the case when you need to learn how to tell possessive adjectives and pronouns apart, because they can seem so similar.
For example, is this yours? Yours is the possessive pronoun.
Is this your wallet? Here is the version with the possessive adjective your and the noun wallet.
I like hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun.
I like her painting. Here is the version with the possessive adjective her and the noun painting. With this, we conclude our first open lecture. If you are interested in learning something more about these confusing types, you can refer to the websites down in the description box.
Feel free to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our faculty's YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.